Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Lighthouse audits for improving mobile SEO step by step clearly. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Ensure you have the latest version of Chrome installed for optimal performance. Navigate to the website you want to audit in your browser. Once the page has fully loaded, right-click on the displayed content. From the context menu, select Inspect to open the Developer Tools. In the Developer Tools panel, locate the Lighthouse tab. If you do not see the Lighthouse tab, click on the double arrows to expand the list of tabs. In the Lighthouse panel, select Mobile from the available options. You can choose from various audit categories based on your specific needs. Now, click on the Generate Report button to start the auditing process. The audit may take a few moments, so be patient as Lighthouse analyzes your website. Once completed, the report will appear in the Lighthouse panel. Review the overall performance score and individual metrics provided in the audit. Focus on the suggestions offered for improving mobile SEO performance. Make a note of specific areas highlighted for optimization, such as performance, accessibility, and best practices. Implement the recommended changes on your website as necessary. Rerun the Lighthouse audit after making adjustments to assess the impact. Continue refining your site based on ongoing audits to ensure continuous improvement. Utilize the insights generated by Lighthouse to enhance user experience on mobile devices. Keep up with best practices and recommendations for mobile SEO to stay competitive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.